Hello everyone, our focus will be at the Port Phillip area to establish an urban forest, thus green screen. More than half of people on Earth live in cities for the first time in human history. 2/3 of the world's population will reside in cities by 2050. Cities are especially sensitive to the effects of climate change and natural disasters, accounting for an estimated 75% of worldwide carbon dioxide emissions.
And doctors say much of the increase is due to ultraviolet light like the sun.
On the rise, with hundreds of thousands of melanoma cases expected.
Excessive sun exposure is a significant health concern in Australia due to the country's high levels of ultraviolet radiation. This radiation is a major risk factor for skin cancer. Over 1,400 Australians die from melanoma each year. According to predictions, if current trends continue, global temperatures could rise by 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels by 2050. This increase could be more significant, potentially reaching 3 degrees Celsius or more.
But there is hope. We can still slow global heating and dramatically lessen its impact.
So we must plant additional trees in order to enhance the amount of shade. However, focusing solely on forests and parks is insufficient. We must prioritize urban tree planting. Tree planting in natural and urban environments differs significantly due to various constraints. Urban trees face challenges such as limited root zones, power lines, tram lines, and pedestrian movement. We focused on 2 streets in Port Phillip area where we have suggestions for establishing an urban forest. We selected Balaclava Street and Carlisle Street located at the edge of Port Phillip to assess the potential for increasing shade through tree planting. The roads have few trees, resulting in minimal shading for pedestrians and are further constrained by tram lines. Our assessment of the existing trees along these roads revealed a canopy cover of just 6.8% in the Port Phillip area. In the chosen location, there are 3 primary types of trees. So how can we add more trees? The primary proposed solution involves the practice of pruning, which is the government-approved method of reducing the limitations of urban tree development, but taking too many branches off will shorten its lifespan and affect its general health. One potential solution is to increase the setback distance of trees, thereby eliminating the need for pruning. Additionally, in this case, we do not need much pruning, and the parking space between the trees can help preserve their natural growth and structure. Another solution involves relocating power lines to the middle of the street to avoid harming trees. The most expensive option, requiring local authority approval, is creating cable bundles to protect the trees. This represents the before and after luminance readings of the selected area under consideration. Implementing these solutions will significantly increase urban tree cover, reducing heat and improving the overall environment. So let's start from a small area to the bigger one.